like we the next time to get picked up with. I don't know what you heard about. I was just a youngin' with a big car. I need a big crib with a big yard.